Hi there, everyone. It has been a little bit of time since the election, and we have some work to do. So I am here to welcome all of the new folks who have been joining this YouTube channel and learning how to knit and crochet. And I just want to inspire everybody to keep knitting and keep crocheting because we have another march to attend. We have the People's March, which will be on January 18th, 2025. There will be one in Washington, D.C., and there are several sister marches, I should say, a lot of sister marches that will be set up in towns and cities in local areas. So more to come on that part as we learn more about that part. But for right now, I just want to hop in here and say thank you to everyone who knitted or crocheted a hat for the Women's March on November 2nd. We had an amazing experience distributing those hats. And I think everybody who made a hat was also rewarded because not only, we did a QR code on the bags or on your notes that were on there so that people could go back to our Facebook page and thank those people who made the hats. So that was just, it was a terrific experience to be in the moment and to be right there. We were featured in the Washington Post, and there were a number of pictures of our hats that were taken. It was good to see that the media was interested in photographing these hats. And I just wanted to spend a little bit of time talking about what these hats mean and what they represent and what we're trying to represent as we move forward with these hats. So we are one stitch, one voice. We create our stitches, and those stitches have a big voice. We did the Patriotic Hat because as Democrats, we wanted to reclaim the American flag as something that didn't belong to just one piece or one part of our country. It belongs to everybody who lives in this country. So we really felt like we wanted to feel comfortable in red, white, and blue, and we wanted to reclaim our patriotism. As we entered 2024, we really felt like there was this opportunity to reclaim our patriotism, and getting behind Vice President Harris, it was a good way to reclaim that patriotism. In her speech, her concession speech for the election, she had a historical adage, and it said that when we are in the darkest, that is when we can see the stars the most. So I want to help us see ourselves as stars, and I want to continue, and I would like for you to continue to knit the Patriotic Hat and think of yourself as a star. Think of the stars that we're knitting and crocheting into these hats. And when we are at this march, I want our stars to shine bright and to have and to lighten the darkness that we're seeing, and to show another path towards the future of the United States of America. That means that Kesley and I are still here. We're still here to encourage people. We would like for everybody to get your voices up there and talk to your friends, talk to anybody who would like to attend a march. Anybody who knows how to knit or crochet or wants to learn how to knit or crochet. We have all the videos on this channel to learn how to knit and crochet these hats. We would like to see these hats on as many heads as possible because in January it's going to be cold, especially in Washington, D.C. And when we all bundle up, we need a hat. And this is a perfect piece where we can all wear this. We can all wear this to stay warm. We can all wear this to make a statement. And we need your help. We need everybody's help knitting and crocheting. Here's the things that we would like for you to do. We would like for you to share One Stitch, One Voice with your friends. Make sure people know. Make sure people know about the People's March. Make sure you know about the People's March. Spread the word as much as possible. 2 is set a goal. Set a goal for yourself. We have around 450 people who are part of our Facebook group. And if we said each person could make 7 hats, we could have at least 3,000 hats to give away at the March. The People's March, they are expecting 50,000 people there. Certainly we won't have enough hats for everybody, but we'll give away as many as we possibly can. And then 3rd is to stay motivated. Really stay motivated. Keep yourself motivated. Keep up the fight. Don't give up. Remain being a star. And remember, you are a star. I guess my last one, there is a 4th. If you have a local yarn shop that you go to, if you could help reach out to that local yarn shop and encourage them to be a drop-off spot for hats, and maybe host a knit night yourself, teach people how to make the hats, or you could be a drop-off for your local area, that would be fantastic. That way, everybody in your area could bring to one spot, and then it's one box that goes out instead of everyone having to ship one. A yarn shop is a great place because certainly they have the supplies, the tools, all the things, and the know-how. Education is really important. Kesley and I, who are the founders of One Stitch, One Voice, we used to be store owners, so we know how important it is to get traffic into the store. So if you can help get traffic into your local yarn shop, that's great. Encourage if they can put together a display that shows red, white, and blue yarn choices and needle choices, hook choices. That would be fantastic. And then, of course, to share the Ravelry download, or they can print off and hand out as many patterns as they would like. So that is all good too. We are happy to share. So be sure you're joining the Facebook group One Stitch, One Voice. We're just really excited about having everybody involved. And I think each week I will be doing a few more of these sort of podcasts and talking about what I'm making and how I am creating my little stack of hats, and how that's going. I want to share that with you. Feel free to ask questions. Put some comments below. Give me something that you want me to talk about. I would love to be able to highlight some things, answer questions in this time, talk about whatever you need me to talk about, whatever it is. If you need me to show you how to do something, I'm happy to do that. We can do that. I just want to welcome everybody. I want everybody to feel very welcome being here, and let you know that I'm grateful for what you're doing and that you want to be part of this. So hope everybody has a wonderful day, and I will talk to you next week. Make sure to drop in your comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because when you subscribe and you hit that little bell, that is what will let you get notifications when I put up new videos, so you won't miss anything. All right. Talk to you soon, and happy crafting.